Class 8, Subject Social Science, Geography, Chapter 2, Inside Our Earth. In this chapter, we have already studied about the interior of the Earth, and there three main layers, that is crust, mantle and core. Now we are going to know about the rocks and minerals. That what is rock and minerals. The surface of the earth is made of rocks which are composed of mineral substances and are found in a solid state on the crust. A rock is a naturally occurring substance most made of mixture of minerals, यानी मिनरल से बने होते हैं. Minerals are naturally occurring chemical compounds. The minerals feldspar and quartz silica are the common constituents of rocks. There are thousands of minerals, but most of the rocks are made up of only a few of specific minerals. Now, on the basis of their formation, rocks have been divided into the following three main categories. First one is igneous rock, यानी आग्नेय शैल, आग्नेय चट्टान. Number second is sedimentary rocks, यानी अवसादी शैल. एंड थर्ड वन इज मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स, यानी कायांतरित शैल, कायांतरित चट्टान. फर्स्ट वन इज इग्निशियस रॉक. इग्नियस रॉक्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज प्राइमरी रॉक्स. प्राथमिक शैल इसको कहा भी जाता है क्योंकि सबसे पहले जो है ये आया था. बिकॉज दे आर बिलीव टू बी फर्स्ट रॉक फॉर्म्ड ऑन अर्थ. All other rocks are ultimately derived from igneous rocks. They cover a large percentage of the Earth's crust. Before the formation of the crust, Earth was in a molten state. Its upper layer cooled and became the surface of the Earth, which gave rise to these rocks. These rocks continue to be formed even today. Molten materials in the interior of the Earth is known as magma. Now, number second, sedimentary rocks. The igneous rocks were broken down into a small fragments due to the action of flowing rivers, wind and sea waves. These small broken rock pieces were deposited into the river beds or along valleys. These deposits of sediments gradually accumulated into layers. In due course of time, these layers were compressed and cemented to form stratified rocks called the sedimentary rocks. Some example of the sedimentary rocks are sandstone, shale and gravel. Sometimes fossils of plants and animals can also be found in the sedimentary rocks. Now last one is metamorphic rocks. When rocks are located very deep in the earth, then due to excessive external pressure and internal heat of the earth, partial or complete changes occur in their structure and chemical properties. Hence, rocks thus formed are different in appearance and characteristics from the original rock and therefore are known as metamorphic rocks. This process takes place at a depth of about 12 km to 16 km below the earth surface, where the temperature and pressure are very high. Now, what is the importance of rocks? Rocks are very useful to us for many purposes. Like first one is rocks like granite, sandstone and marbles are used as building material, यानी घर बनाने के, भवन बनाने के काम आता है. They are the sources of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. They are the sources of metallic minerals, namely iron, gold, copper and magnesia. They are the storehouse of fossils. And they are the sources of many precious stones, जो काफ़ी महंगे stones होते हैं, like gems and diamonds. Now, chapter is closed. Your homework is to read and understand very carefully all the term and condition of the chapter and ask any query without any hesitation in your WhatsApp group, and solve question answer in your classwork and homework copies. Thank you.